Falling off the wagon. A journey through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard but could be curious about its meaning and origins. Falling off the wagon. This expression is a colorful way to discuss a serious topic, and understanding it can enrich your English comprehension. So, let's get started. The phrase, falling off the wagon, refers to someone who has given up on trying to abstain from a bad habit, particularly after a period of abstinence. Most commonly, it's used in the context of alcohol consumption. If someone is trying not to drink alcohol and then starts drinking again, they are said to have fallen off the wagon. To understand this expression better, let's look at its origins. The phrase dates back to the early 20th century. The wagon in question refers to the water wagons that were used to sprinkle streets in the days before modern vehicles. People who had taken a pledge to abstain from alcohol would say they were on the water wagon, indicating their commitment to not drinking. Therefore, falling off this wagon implied they were no longer sticking to their pledge. When using the phrase, falling off the wagon, it's important to remember that it can convey a sense of failure or relapse. However, it's often used in a somewhat light-hearted or supportive context among friends or self-help groups. For example, I know I promised to eat healthier this year, but I totally fell off the wagon this weekend at the barbecue. After 3 months of not smoking, I'm sad to say I fell off the wagon. There are other expressions with similar meanings you might find interesting. Backsliding refers more generally to returning to old habits or bad ways of behaving. Slipping up is another way of saying someone made a mistake or momentarily failed to maintain their discipline or standards. Understanding phrases like falling off the wagon can not only help you improve your English vocabulary but also give you insight into cultural attitudes towards habits and self-improvement. We hope this explanation has been helpful and enlightening. Remember, language is a journey, and every new term or expression you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.